Dang, that was a long vacation, Rob. How we doing? Good morning, good morning. In England? Nice. Oh boy. How was it? You were there for quite a while, huh? I feel like I haven't seen you in forever. Did you take Cody with you? I haven't seen Cody in a while. Memphis, good morning. Got about 4 minutes until the open here. Pretty big volume candle. Oh, I guess not really. There's one over here too. Need a drink. I'm gonna get some water actually. Well, I ran out of Frescas, so I bought some, but they just got here this morning, so I had to stick one in the freezer, so it's not ready yet. Solus, what's going on? I'll be right back. Let me get some water. Alrighty. Much better. Needed a little juice in there. All right. 1 minute till the bell here. Hoping for a better day than yesterday. We did end up with a trade yesterday. Let's scroll back and take a look at it real quick. It was right here. No. Yes. No? I don't remember where it was. Maybe it was this one. No, it wasn't that. That was pre-market. This was too early. We were still on stream, so it must have been this one. Yeah, it was right here. Oh no, it was the short. This is it. I was like, I thought it touched the bands when I got in. Yeah, it was right here. I had the line drawn, went up, grabbed it. We got 10 points out of it, 200 bucks. I was like, I could have swore it was such a boring day yesterday. I totally forgot. All right, here we go. 5 seconds. All right. Let's see if we can get any kind of movement here. All right, headed to the lows. I have my line drawn. It's kind of coordinated there with the low. I feel like my music is like super loud this morning for some reason. Turn that down a little bit. Right, coming down to the low, see if we can get a big, nice push down through it towards 700.
Order filled.
For a quick little retest the previous candle. I was looking for an ad through 700, not at 700. I thought we were a lot closer to the bands than we actually were there.
Order filled.
Uh-oh. Oh, these stupid openings, man. Uh,
Order filled.
if it goes lower, I'm going to take that one we just added off. Just in case this continues to dump down through 50. It's literally every time I mess with the open. It's crazy. Alright, looks like we're going to get this 50 test. I'm going to give this just a smidge more room here, just in case it fakes out a couple. An extra 100 at this point is not that much. Alright, here we go. Really just want to get out of this. Really, I'm not looking to be greedy. Come on, one little pop up. Try to come back up towards that 730. It'd be really hard not to see him at least try to retest 700. That's all I'm looking for here, just to get out of this thing safely. Is really struggling. Go, 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 go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't do that.
Order filled. Order filled.
700, 700, 700.
Order
Nice.
filled.
We will take that. We will take that. I wasn't talking. I was kind of just waiting for the chart to either end me or not end me. We did end up making 430. Oh, you guys probably couldn't hear it. Oh, yeah. My Quantower is live, isn't it? Oh, no, you can't hear Quantower. I made 430 on Quantower. That trade looks a lot better. Started it later. But a little frustrating of a trade. I don't know why. You know, I say I'm not going to trade the open, but then we get what looks like an amazing move, and it's like I always just I want to torture myself apparently. But we'll take it. Green is green. Ah, excuse me. All right, let's get marbles started so I can get my mind off of this. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in. You got 10 minutes. Well, not the cleanest of first trades, but we'll take it. Definitely not worth the risk that we had on, but got out of it. Saved ourselves. Faz, I do trade my fund of futures. I haven't recently. And they kind of ticked me off. They ticked me off while I was on vacation because they hit my account that was at payout with the inactivity rule, and straight up just the account's gone. So I lost out on close to $1,000 on that account. And this is why, if you have the balls to let one contract go, at least, I mean, what's that? Took this, so that's another $300 right here. It's like if you have the balls to sit through all this, waiting for it to possibly give you that extra shot up. I mean, but the thing is, you're looking to make an extra 300, but you're risking 30 points. You're risking 30 points to make 15. That doesn't really make sense, especially after already being in a bad position. And I always try to tell myself, would I ever enter a new position where my average was at that time, right? As it's coming back up, would I ever enter long right here on this candle? No. The answer is always no, right? I'm never entering long here. So why would I risk 30 points on a position that I would never want to be in the first place, right? So that's how I try to look at that. Like, yes, I was trying to get out of the position there for a little bit of profit based off of the position I was in. But when it comes to holding a runner, when I think about a runner and holding a runner, would I ever enter a position in where my current average is? And the answer in that case was no. Now, had I got 2 entries down here and it looked like I tagged the bottom, then hell yeah, right? Because that's a great entry. Damn, wow, that sucks. There's some the worst trading ever. Somehow I came out positive $10. That's how I feel every time I trade the open. Wow, look at this dump right back down. I would prefer FAS My Funded Futures for sure. The rules are a lot more lax. Which is the best because it seems different to what they had before. It's really not that much different. Man, what a rejection straight to the lows here. See if we can get a big push down through 650. That's what I'm looking for here. Oh. Dow and Russell are doing very well. NQ struggling. Interesting. Like they're moving up. Which account on 50K because they have all these other the starter plus plans are the typical ones. Looking for a push down through 650 here. These are some big candles, by the way. Keep that in mind. Damn, look at that. 650 exactly. It's going to push through, though. Alright, through 650. See if we can get an actual push down. Yeah, I was hoping it did, but it's not. It's like buyers are stepping in. How much time we got left for marbles here? Oh, it didn't even work for me. Maybe start pulling it up. Oh, just ended. No. Alrighty, let's put some marbles. 29. Watching the chart here before we start. I do have it up and ready. Just waiting to see if we do anything here.
Welcome to the jungle, bitch!
I need to find a co-host. I was sitting there watching Max and Llama on the Tradeify show. It's so much easier to have somebody to kind of bounce off of. GDT? I don't know. He wouldn't be around every day. All right, well, let's run marbles while we're waiting, because this might go all the way to the highs now. Nice, Wawa. Karen, you randomly disappear on me. Oh, you changed your name back. You randomly disappear on me for a couple weeks at a time. I already got it up, Karen. I'll get you in the next one. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Code Vala, first one up. Let's get it. I'm gonna turn them on. I've been listening to them. It's great.
1722, 700.
They literally took over the show.
12, 1.2515 times 1500, 635.
I haven't heard Miriam, Matt, or Nick like this entire time. It's like they're trying to talk every once in a while, but he just straight up took over the stream. It's great.
Miriam, do you want to take over? Nick, do you guys want to take that over real quick?
Listen, we were actually going to ask you if you wanted to narrate the marbles race for us.
I am gonna pass out.
Well, you have to. You have no choice.
Nick, I don't know if you know this, Nick. All right, Nick, I don't know if you can tell or not, but I have a weight problem. All right, I have a weight problem, and we're trying to get sponsored by like Ozempic or something. Seriously, but they're playing hardball with us right now. They're playing hardball with us, and the reason they won't sponsor us is because Llama eats every episode, and we're trying to work on it. We're trying to work on it. So
I mean, he's eating eggs and grapes, so it's not too bad. Yeah,
Right,
it's not
like
bad.
I'm basically an athlete. Tell me I
Basically
didn't
a
just eat a
salad.
salad. I
basically,
basically
it's
just
valid.
ate a salad.
I mean, dude looks like he's gonna start running a marathon like in an hour. He's good. He's
Right.
For all
Right.
those in the chat,
Lasers. Oh, Wawa. Let's go.
7-Eleven.
First marble of the day.
For those of you in the chat who are saying I drink too much energy drinks, I don't drink energy drinks. I don't drink alcohol.
Donald. Okay. Missed you going by the lasers. Sneaky peeky. And he's gonna do it.
So,
Let's go.
Get your shit in order.
First race of the day.
Right. I'm done diagnosed. Let him be.
I'm also an athlete.
The entry? Where you at? Oh, no. You
in what sport?
got a shot. First race of the day. Let's go.
So price is driving higher right now.
If you look currently at the
Right next
price,
to 7-Eleven.
They're doing well today trading. I wonder if this is an everyday thing. That's the real question. All right, here we go.
And yep.
That laser is looking at you funny. Oh, got by it.
I just eat
Oh.
drenched in pizza.
Ah, no.
Pizza in the Indian
Oh,
chicken.
son of a. I think the pegs were gonna get you anyway.
Yeah, right. Can we start banning people? I'm in the
Get them out of here.
Get the bans going.
Easy. To be honest, even though we're choppy, guys, even though we're chopping, this might have been one of the easiest trading days of the week.
Oh, there you go. He said easiest trading day of the month. So
Candle price action bouncing off major levels. This is absolutely easy for me to predict on SPX, guys. Don't compare what I'm doing on stream right now to what might be step 1 or 2. Comparison in trading is people normally say it's the thief of joy, but it's actually what just will blow your profit count. So I just highly suggest that you guys don't compare what you see someone like me who's doing
softball chat.
full-time
What's going on here?
we're all having fun up here, but the most important thing is that you guys trade your way, your style, and you have fun.
September 8th.
So all joking aside, this shit's looking good for a continuation.
I'm like such a sweet ass. I was eating that bullshit. I'm cool, margin. Let's get in.
So you look at SPX when you're trading anything else.
Yep.
Or you're just trading SPX.
No, I don't trade SPX at all. well, I sell options on SPX. I do a lot of
Okay.
option selling strategies. So I'm a full-time option seller. That's how I make my living, and that's how I've grown a snowball trading success is option selling. But I also trade futures full-time, and I'm on one of the best. I'm on one of the best heaters I've ever been on. It's kind of weird to say we've won for months. I actually showed my log. I show my logs like I show production here. We show every day the trading and the trading live. And we are on an absolute heater, and I am up about $55,000 on the month. So I'm having a great month.
Let's go.
It's one of my most profitable months, being only 19 days in. So absolutely crushing it right now.
That's
About to
amazing.
get partialed out on quarter of this position. I have half the position running. I've trailed a bunch. These are all my trails for you guys to see here. I'm gonna get
All right, Emmy, start us off.
Position just got pulled out. 3 micros.
Well, I know he's not green every day. I'm just curious.
I'm leaving
Like
the last 30%
the way most people that are entertainers like that, it makes you wonder how the trading is as well.
Hold on. We haven't done a giveaway yet. I've been on stream for 30 minutes.
1,300
LSJN, let's go.
for the first giveaway, or actually it's the second one. We already did one. We're close. We need like a couple more. Just
Hit the
that
back
like
end,
button,
hit it.
everybody.
Oh, it was so close.
Real pissed off that we haven't given away
What's going on here?
a bunch of accounts yet. Dropping those accounts. Where's my people at?
I don't know. What do shorts wanting to come in.
Nah.
You don't think so? I think we need to get back above 700 if these shorts.
I
don't
think
work.
We're getting a lot of chances here.
I want to target 730 from there.
I was hoping we had. Ugh, stupid lasers, man. All right. All right. That one's done. Let's get it started again.
But if it does fail, then maybe it shorts. But at the end of the day, I took my one trade that ran for 50 points, and I'm done for the day. Whatever happens with this trade.
Exclamation point marbles. Get them in. You got 10 minutes.
Some days you make enough money to retire.
I can't shuffle my chips because my kids keep taking my. Here, let me show you.
Let's drop
got
it,
it.
baby. What are we doing?
Got it. Okay, look. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do two 50k growth accounts, two 25k lightning funded accounts. Very, very simple how you participate. We need to set up a keyword here in the background really quick. But once we do, the rules are you have to like the stream, you have to subscribe to the channel, and once I drop that keyword, you type it once in the chat. If you type it more than once, you are gonna get disqualified. So I'll drop the keyword in a second, and then we go.
There's the volume.
Am I allowed to drop codes in the chat, or is that like,
Not a thing.
or is that
Wanna
like
do what in the chat?
900 people would log in and get an account with some buggy stuff? Production, am I allowed to just like YOLO some giveaways, or what are we doing here?
What's actually going on if we think about it?
What's really happening right now?
If you really think,
Matt,
what's going on here?
Matt, I was so polite to you. You had said we have a tradition here. You're like, I want you to scream a nasty word right at the bell, and I didn't want to do it. I really didn't want to do it. 'Cause
I know.
don't
I'm
even
sorry
curse.
to make you compromise
Yeah,
your
I don't
values
even
on
curse.
stream.
I don't even curse like that. So for me to do that for you was huge gesture. So we have a fun segment on our show with our guest Matt. So if you
Okay.
I'm just wondering if you're willing to spin on your chair. Are you going to stand up and spin on your chair?
Stand on the chair and spin.
Stand on the chair and
Right.
spin on it.
Can you spin on your chair?
Sounds
I
like a
can.
workers' comp liability.
I worry about. I mean, I'll sit and spin.
Sorry. This is actually pretty entertaining.
I'm getting married on Friday, so I can't break my leg today.
What do you mean, bro? If she's not gonna love you with a broken leg, then you gotta start questioning a few things.
Nick,
What?
are you willing to spin on your chair?
I'll
Nick's
fucking do
willing
it.
to fly out of a plane. He'll
Let's
do
go.
it.
Yeah, Nick will do it.
Almost died.
W's in the chat for Nick. W's in the chat for Nick. Absolutely let it rip. W's in
wanna-
the chat for Nick.
I wanted to
He's
become a
very
stuntman. so
agile.
I'm
The fact
fine
he's
with
able to
anything. I wanted to
crazy.
become a stuntman, so I'm good.
Dude, you actually, I'm very impressed. I have no idea how
Look at ES ripping new high on ES. No high taking it on NQ. This is looking very bad.
rip. Look at the break there. Look at the break on SPX, and NQ hasn't moved. We're going to tap this imbalance right here. Look at the relative weakness on NQ. Holy
I
shit.
don't like it.
I don't like it either, but I'll tell you right now, if it flips, you're gonna have a breakout.
Oh boy. Oh yeah. Here, let me show you what my kids did with my poker chips.
I have no price target above. You hear this last bell?
That's next to my keyboard. That's all my poker chips. They're like making smiley faces and stuff with them.
No more alerts then.
If we break through 700 with force, there's the volume.
Max value. There's the last max value and the long.
I have 3 micros up 330 right now.
There's a
I'm
new
gonna
high.
partial one out just to kind of make my chart look cooler and get another little payment out there either.
Listen,
And
I
then
shouldn't
we
say
get
this,
rid of that.
but I'm gonna give you guys some sauce. All right. Wait. I'm not gonna say it. Never mind. This looks
Oh, we're ripping
really
with
good.
force. There's that volume we wanted.
There goes really. This looks
There's
really
that
good.
volume we wanted. I want 730 now. Let's just rip to 730. This is
Oh my god.
it's crazy because when you can talk about it and then be about it, there's a big difference between what goes on in this industry. So as we said about 35 minutes ago, when we were at the 750s, I want to sell all the way to 705 and then potentially.
Well, we
645,
officially made it.
top
Oh well, we
645.
already made it back up there.
All this
It
type
was
of
just
shit
kind
just
of.
happens after you talk about it. You got to be about it. You get what I'm
This is
saying?
why,
man?
and this is why ICT traders are bottom of the barrel, the worst. This is why they know nothing, but they think they know everything.
I have 275 ticks. 275 ticks. in one trade.
I love Max, man. He's great. It's funny because he just straight up just says it. I love it. I mean, that's my kind of people right there.
Llama.
Eval's performing well while my funded didn't do so well.
No, llama. No, sit down,
just hit 20K subscribers here on
Don't
Tradeify
fear.
TV, so that might lead to more giveaways, guys.
More
No need
giveaways.
to fear, guys. We had another one.
All right, so let's first do the first giveaway, okay? The codes that you got to put in the chat to participate in this giveaway is TFT because Max and Llama, I heard you like TFT.
TF what?
That's me. That's me. Yeah. TFT.
Mac.
That's the game. That's the game I play on League.
Oh, TFT.
Let's go.
There's the PF Chang's.
No, we prefer Panda Express on the show. Nick is a big fan of Panda Express.
Really?
And can't get it over in Switzerland.
I
I
can't.
like
No, he's
I
from
like Panda
Switzerland. That's
Express
just
because
terrible.
has celiac disease and they have gluten-free options. So I fuck with Panda Express too. I like them a lot.
Panda Express is the best thing ever, and we just don't have it in Switzerland, so.
Panda Express.
Best
is the
thing
best
ever is
ever?
very questionable. You ever been to the meat market?
What do you know about the meat market?
That doesn't sound like a place his girlfriend would let him go.
No,
If
his
you-
girlfriend
it's
would
probably the best
definitely.
date night spot in Boca Raton. It's the meat market. It's
And you would love to go with me and Matt. We would probably
One
take
more
you to
25 points and I'm funded in this eval. Let's go.
Nick, if you ever come to South Florida, I would love to take you to the meat market. I think you would really enjoy it. Seriously, I mean, the
Seriously.
luxury, the food, the quality. I mean, everything that happens at the meat market, and you're just left so full.
Just stays in the meat market.
So full.
Well, we'll see. I guess.
One of the best steakhouses in Boca, if not the best steakhouse in
I
Boca.
haven't tried the new one. I haven't tried Gallagher's yet, so we'll see. And to be honest, it's not even my favorite steakhouse in Boca because Aiden Louis, been there forever, is like.
You know,
We break
we
through
were all
7:30,
down.
we have a
We were all
clean
down there not
structure
too
here.
long ago, and I'm kind of mad at Brett now, like he didn't introduce us to you guys.
You guys were down in Boca, and
Well, we were in Miami. We weren't in Boca. We were-
Yuck! Yuck! Nope, I will not go to Miami. Ew.
Ew. That's my word.
Oh, I'll take the picture. Gotcha.
No, Miriam, it's actually llamas. I think. Llamas.
What'd I do?
We both hit a pretty strong ew. Like you gotta have a pretty good one. We pull up
Nice little yucky.
yuck. Yeah. We
I
gotta have-
all of these terms I use. Wow, look at that. That's how I describe the price action sometimes.
Oh.
Ew. That's what llama says. He says it's yuck.
I mean, I guess I'd be interested if we get a big move back up
730 with 4.
towards 750.
For a 100-point trade.
All right, look, since we're waiting for price to pump up further, and we just hit 20K subs, let's do the marble race now. The last two people that
You
are
guys
going to
hit
cross the
20K
finish
subs?
line.
20K?
Like 500 subs this morning.
So,
Woo!
the last two people to cross the finish line, the last two marbles, get a 150K growth account, and the first two get a 150K lightning funded account. So,
Talking about.
Max and Llama, we just need you guys to narrate that marble race that you see on the screen.
Me?
Right? Yes, we absolutely need you guys.
Shit.
I'll narrate the shit out of it. How do I see it?
Yeah, Max, you do it, bro. You know I be vaping and shit. I be short
Hold
of
on.
breath.
Oh, I
You
got
can
it.
see it on the in the back room there.
COVID hit kind of hard. You know, COVID
All right, here we go. Hold
hit a
on.
little hard nowadays.
You see it, Max?
We'll watch their marbles race.
Bigger.
You hit in the bottom right. There's like a little square that you can click.
Picture. Oh, we're so in business. It's a little blurry, but I see it.
All right, let's see. So Drew, let's run them.
Are these
Go on
the
the
people
marbles.
in the chat?
These are the people in the chat who type TFT.
Oh, we're getting aggressive here. We're getting aggressive here. Give me that 730.
Oh my God.
Shit.
And we're off to the races. As you can see, they're moving really fast. They're moving faster than their trading should probably be going. They're moving. You can tell which one of these people are not disciplined, which one of them are. And we're off to a hot start. You can see they're rounding the second lap right here. This is an unbelievably tight race. There's a lot of traders. Oh, no stop losses for those nerds going down. Absolutely getting dusted. No stop loss. They'll learn that the hard way.
Oh,
They're
shit.
moving far. Oh, we've reached over trading lane, and you can see a lot of traders aren't making it through over trading lane right here. We're going to continue on to the race. We're making our halfway point lap, and it looks like they're running straight off the track. These idiots aren't just blindly following alerts without having any of their due diligence. They're running straight off the deep end. Unbelievable. Some of the racers, we got one breaking out right here. One breakout. He's following his trading plan to the T. It looks like his name is Dong. That's weird. He is trading the third lap. We're rounding the third quarter here, and we are moving. Oh, a lot of traders going off right here. That's called oversizing. Probably should have been trading micros, idiots, but now here you are, 10 minutes deep. here we're coming to the end of the race. It's moving really good. I see Dong at front still. Unbelievable how he's been able to hold this throughout the end.
Future's desk in the house. What's going on?
That's your final price target.
Who is that? Is that Rebecca?
Are you gonna let this take profit here? Let it go red. Seriously.
We're watching.
Oh, no, Dong,
We're watching Big Daddy Max on.
no, Dong, finish line. It's never the rabbit. It's always the turtle, Dong. You weren't patient.
They're pretty entertaining.
Like we got a clear winner out in front here. I can't see the name at all. It's extremely blurry, and we got one in the final.
Olivia.
Here we come. Or did they just? Oh my God! They just ran off the side. He just jumped right off, and we got our second winner coming in, third place. If you're not first, you're last. Congratulations to our
Olivia and Mind
winners.
Coaching.
R.I.P. to Dong. Absolute amazing.
Look at all these marbles.
Amazing job. Seriously, if you made it to the
Holy
finish line.
shit.
Well, the last two apparently get some stuff too. So
Wonderful race. What a wonderful race. This is some of the best races.
no one's finishing because they don't have enough speed.
It was wonderful. Winner Olivia. Olivia, congratulations.
That's pretty funny.
What a commentary.
Yeah, that
What
was
a
amazing.
commentary.
Wow, look, there's only 4
It's funny,
finishers.
We got four people in. I said the first two are gonna get 150k Lightning funded account, and the last two are gonna get 150k growth account. So you
Nice.
see it on here. Olivia is getting a 150k Lightning funded. T-Rad is getting a 150k Lightning funded. Red Ghost is getting a 150k growth, and Steve Crutchfield is getting a 150k growth. Guys, make sure to type something in the chat really quick. If you
Saying
want
Raj is not
to
interesting? What are you talking about?
And then add your email address to the YouTube channel description so we can reach out to you and send you your codes.
Congratulations to all the winners.
Raj is my homie.
Dong, if you're in the chat.
Oh shit.
I mean,
We'll be hanging out with them tomorrow.
you seriously-
I'll be live here as well. I'll keep doing it the way, so I'll have like my chart and my voice here, but you won't. I'll be over on the Futures Desk stream.
Unbelievable. That was fun. That was really cool. I don't know. You guys got some cool shit on this show. It's really
Right.
impressive. The production you guys got that.
Well, we typically like to take a short right when we drop the marbles. It's like a little thing that we have. It's the
Marble
marble
race
indicator.
indicator.
So typically the market will, have a little pullback, or that's when we short.
What do you mean little pullback, Merrim? We had a 30-point trade with the marble race indicator.
All right, everyone full pour short then.
I
Let's
know.
see it.
This day we wanted to get the commentary for you guys. You guys did an amazing job. Hopefully you can commentate the next ones coming up, because we got some fun ones.
I can commentate anything.
Over trading.
Did you have a bad copy trade?
That was great. I feel
Oh yeah,
like
let me get marbles
I
set
feel like
up.
Copyright that. Let's get some shirts made.
Right. Are we full porting shorts now or no?
No,
That's already
we're
over.
in range.
That's
Nothing's
Yeah,
gonna be
full
short
short.
yet.
Oh.
Looks like we're not really doing anything anyway.
Oh, when it starts. Ah, shit. I'm
Doing a
still
short?
alone. Sitting 256 in profit, by the way. But yeah, we're just hanging out, I guess. I don't know.
Right,
We're just
no
hanging
reason
out.
to let go.
And any new? Oh, Karen's here, right? Add Karen.
Looks good. It's testing the previous day's close. I think if the bounces here, SPN, and Q just needs to find a little.
Rob,
like,
Robbie,
hit.
Robbie.
Yeah. definitely
Rob
strong
came
trade,
back
right?
with an accent.
If you're trading ES today for a long, I think you can look for, like, even if we do ever come back to like the 64, 63 area, you can look for a long there. But it's all really going to be dependent on what Nasdaq does, specifically in this spot. I think the 700 was the first
Partial out of another position.
claim, but then if we can get back, above,
Rob's
like,
got
the
an England accent now.
I partial out of another position. The rest of my partial, my last position is sitting at 90, and I'm officially gonna be.
Not really a bad copy trade. I don't have the energy to trade per account considering the 2 evals I'm unfunded. I've thought about copy trading, but I really just don't want to.
Let it trail me if it trails me.
Rather just, I mean, I probably should eventually, considering I don't really take that many trades.
To a potential breakout.
All right, let's do the marbles. Let's get it.
It is
Oh,
breaking
whoa.
to the downside of the zone. Let's see what SPX does. It's got to clear like 56, 57. Well, 56 in a couple quarters, and this thing could absolutely fly.
I want to see us go all the way back to 750. See us go back to 930 opening price. What I want to see. It was just so. It was just. I think we chopped today again. I think we chop, we hang out, and
Well, there's no news today. There's no news yesterday. There's no
Exactly.
news at all.
exactly.
yesterday was hard.
So, I mean, looking at the 15-minute chart, to be honest with you, We might go up today. We might actually trend up today.
That's what I see.
It doesn't look like it has a lot of volume. It might be like a slow, trend, but we did break outside of orb, which yesterday we were not able to do, which led to a consolidation all damn day, which was not the most fun. But today, I mean, clear as sky, you can see that we are currently
90, I'm fully out of the position here. If it hits 90, I'm fully out. That's where my last trail is. 90 on the dot. Man,
Do you,
what a nice trade.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was just gonna ask, when you trade the orb, do you trade like the breakout to the orbs, or do you trade the ranges?
It's a good question here.
a really good question.
Really good question here, Maxie.
That's a really good question, Miriam. Why don't you send me a DM and we'll go over a coaching session.
Figure things out.
Pay for a couple sessions there. Do I get
put it
a
on the
promised
house.
Lambo?
You get a coupon code for 1 free Tradeify account.
Oh, that's nice.
I'm
You get
fully
it.
out of the position. There it
You
is.
know what,
boys.
Miriam? You know what?
Trade.
Miriam wins a free 50K lightning fund in chat.
Let's
Chat, give it
go.
up for Miriam. She wins.
Miriam, open a support
free
ticket.
50K.
Here for it. I didn't even have
Open
to
a
do
support
anything.
ticket. The
for
mods
it.
will get to you. Be sure to open a support ticket.
I teach advanced like orb strategies, things that I've noticed over years of like really trading in, and I made it very like I made something simpler, but I also added a lot of sauce to my orb trading, and hence why I become like the orb king on social media. Plus all these other losers who just started making orb content out of fucking nowhere in the last like 3 months, 4 months. That's really interesting.
How dare they?
Yeah, how dare you?
Rude.
All of a sudden just start trading orb and become profitable. Interesting.
That's just yucky.
It's kind of funny he's not answering the question.
Find your own personality.
He
Tom.
diverted to buy my course, and
Like, look at me. I am the orb.
I will show you. I totally missed the ball on this, but
It's out of nowhere. It's kind of mind blowing.
nobody made it.
I wanted to tell her. I would tell
My
her,
goal is just 2 trades per day with less valid. Yeah,
I'll
I would
drop
agree.
sauce on her. I see the chat. Don't tell me what to do. You can't talk to me like that. No, you can't talk to me like that. Seriously. We will
That is
we'll
sick.
start dropping the hammer.
They're gonna time you out.
This one guy yesterday, this idiot goes, to be honest, I don't like the way Max trades. It doesn't make me feel good. I'm down $1,000. This is what he says. And then I'm like, that's so interesting. That
Yeah, I mean,
because I'm up like $3 grand today.
what was the question she even asked?
And
Rude.
all of a sudden, I've noticed over years.
Therefore, it's nice.
Figure things out. It's a good question.
Trade. Oh, I'm sorry. I was just gonna ask, when you trade the orb, do you trade like the breakout to the orbs, or do you trade the ranges?
It's a good question here.
A really good question.
Really good question here, Maxie.
That's
Yeah, and then he just never answers it.
Along with me.
Unless it's course Vala. Yeah, I don't do courses.
Miriam, open a support ticket. We got you a 50K.
I never plan on doing a course.
We will not be talking.
I had a guy talk me into trying to make videos, but I told him I would never do like an actual course.
What do you guys have? What
It was more of like an introduction to trading videos.
And you guys are following Tradeify TV because
You used to go follow for 20% off the course to win from the market.
we're already over at 20,000 followers. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and you definitely leave a comment. Besides the live chat, don't forget to drop a friendly comment and like and follow them guys because they are killing the game. They're one of the newest streams, and there's a lot of YouTube streamers that I absolutely
Course equal affiliations?
know not to serve,
What do you mean?
right? But these people
I think courses are a lot different
the
because you're actually selling something that you don't need to sell.
This is one of the platforms that's giving you what right looks like. So make sure you guys tap in and you are subscribed with Tradeify TV.
What an ad. What an ad.
He never answered the question.
Thank you.
Zama, when did we get in? I just got out of the trade. Guys, we were in. We were in already. Trade's over. Trade's done for.
So I feel like our entire following just came over here to tell us not to talk about sauce.
It was a solid 85-point trade, guys. I tried to go for the 100. Got cut short.
Follow the Big Daddy Max. You don't have to follow me.
Yeah, which I have zero. I was literally just talking to my wife last night about how I'm missing marbles again. Not one person made it again. We'll run it back one more time. That's my fault. I was staring at the chart for some unknown reason. It's not like it's doing anything.
So I have to fly over and join or what?
But I was just talking to her last night about how I would love to expand myself, right? Like try to get myself out there, market myself a bit, you know, grow the channel a bit, etc. Because hand in hand, I would make more money as well from affiliations and stuff. And it was just like I have zero idea where to start. I have zero experience in marketing. I have zero experience in video editing. Like just I have zero like everything I've done has been like what I've learned just from doing it over time. Like the whole business behind how I have everything set up is just me grinding, figuring out everything as I go. But I have zero actual like entrepreneur experience. I have zero marketing experience. I have zero anything to do with that side of things, like with brands and like any of that. Just nothing, no experience. And I was telling her, I was like, I would love to kind of get more into that because a lot of these people you see the successful ones, that's all it is, right? It's marketing, it's making better quality content, it's those things, and I obviously lack in that department. I know that I could make the content, but as far as making the content enjoyable, like from like a post edit standpoint, as well as like pushing the content, that's where I fail, right? Like I just upload and I just let it be. Like I don't really do any kind of marketing. I never have. So it's like I don't know how to do that stuff. I don't know where to start. And it's like part of me is like I don't have time as it is because I spend most of my time with the kids and stuff if I'm not sitting here. Like when my stream ends, it's immediately family stuff. Like I don't have that much extra time. Like a lot of times when I'm making videos and stuff, it's while they're in school at night. You know, like after they're like going to bed and stuff like that. When they go back to school, I will have like a couple hours after the stream if I don't stream until they get home to possibly do some stuff. But it's like it's tough. It's tough to find the time. Where that's another thing. A common trait you see from the successful people in this space, they don't really have families, right? It's a lot of single people like in their mid 20s. Don, let's go. And it's like a lot of they have the time to do that stuff. I don't have the time to do that stuff. So it's like I don't know if it would be easier to like find someone to help me do it, which I did try for a little bit, but then he ended up doing something else, and it's just crazy. Where are you at, Donovan? Oh, he's trying. I might have a second chance. Oh, Don's going for it. Oh, no. You missed the pegs, but it didn't line up. Turn the bands into an intuitive model. Yeah, but I've coded this band to get a 90% win rate. See, even something like that, like I would never think to say something like that. It's just something that I think about all the time, but I don't know the least of how to make it come to fruition. Yeah, Don, that was actually really close. You had the speed and everything. It just the 25% didn't line up. Didn't even get pegged. I think we're coming back down.
my students, they're not allowed to say shoulda, woulda, coulda, hope. They're not allowed to use words that are based off of past actions or emotional actions.
Motion.
Not allowed to use any hindsight bullshit or emotional anything. You have to
Emotional damage.
cater to what
Not a
you
fan of
do,
being pegged.
price action and candles.
So if you pass up on the opportunity to learn them, you are just offering yourself up for liquidity. And I get it. I do. Trust me. Let me ask you a question, Wawa. How old are you?
You wouldn't be sitting here with Fat Max learning trading.
I know this isn't an excuse. I'm just curious.
That's what you guys should be focused. Stop overcomplicating something that could be so easy.
22. So you probably don't have kids, right?
On a funded account today, having fun, following a system that's been polished. That's all you guys got to do. Simplify that shit. And if you're having a hard time trading, you're most
Let's assume you don't have kids. My next question would be, do you have a girlfriend or a boyfriend?
300-400 guess.
Probably 3 or 4.
No judgment.
Yes, we've spoke to. Number 1 and 2 reasons that traders fail.
29 or 30? Yeah. We got pregnant when I was 29. It's good. It was a good age.
They are over trading.
You got a girlfriend?
Those are the
How
two
often
things that are doing.
is your girlfriend over, etc.? Do you guys live together?
The root principle of
Or both? Yeah.
is
No
I'm
judgment.
gonna lose because the statistics are against me, and it doesn't matter how good my system is. Like a casino, you can sit down at roulette, but you'll never have over a 46% chance of winning because of the green on the roulette. So if you think you ever
Had your first one at 18? I heard if you can make it work while you're younger, it's a lot of fun because you get to be a kid with your kids, but you also don't get to live your 20s.
if you take that deep-rooted psychology principle and you do the opposite, stop over trading, stop.
Oh, we actually might get a trade here.
Manage your risk by dialing down your sizing and dialing it back up. I guarantee you guys will start seeing profits. You'll start seeing profits. So lock that shit the fuck down, chat.
Is there any news today?
Kind of like how the market just went down. Locking that bar down.
8:30, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. There. This is New Zealand. Nothing. I don't see anything else. There we go. Oh.
There was an explosion in the race. I can't get over that.
Go a little lower now.
Get over that.
That just missed. Oh, that would have filled me. Don't you? Should I have left it? That's gonna suck. Go a little lower now.
And I know if I slap on some extra TA that I'm not gonna do, it's probably easy sell there.
That's frustrating. That would have filled us. We were at 25, I think. Like a little over 25. Dang it. I would have put my take profit right here too, right where it's at. Son of a.
It's a solid 100-point meltdown.
I can't believe it missed us on the first one.
Point meltdown?
And then it came down. I wanted a little bit more after that. But now I'm going to keep riding it down, looking for the little bit more.
But I set my clear.
We already got a retest there.
First trade winner. Don't need nothing else after that. That's how
A kid in this economy, question mark.
and I don't chase a certain
I was in the Marines, not much living, gotcha.
X amount of money every day.
Nope, different places and once a week for having dates.
You put in money goal,
Worst thing you can do.
I mean, you kind of see what I'm getting at. I'm not trying to like, but it's like you have, when you wake up, your responsibility is you, right? And whatever you're doing that day, it's just a lot different when you got 2 kids, a wife, a house. Like there's so much other responsibility.
I kept my one and done. Very simple. There was a lot of trades I could have took today, and I found that's what gives me.
This feels like it wants to bounce.
That's what gives me
I'm hoping it just dies though.
consistency, the things that a lot of people are looking for. I think a lot of people want this big ass payday. They want like this big day that's like it's. And I always explain.
I wish I had the balls to just jump in for those.
None of these days are
Like
ever gonna change
you
your-
can
none
just
of these
see it
trades
in the
that
price
I
action
do,
that wanted to
are
happen.
never gonna change your life. You have
But it's
one
like
guy
I'm just
that's
trying to be
almost
patient and wait for my exact
5,
setup.
10K payout,
Unfortunately, I didn't get my fill on that first push.
and eventually just rip
Had I
it
got my fill on that first push, we would have
I'm going to buy a Rolex.
had a nice
Buy
quick
Rolex.
200
If I
bucks.
get a 5K payout, I'm buying a Rolex.
There is no Rolexes for 5K unless you
There's
buy
not?
a woman's Rolex, and with your wrist, it's not gonna work.
I know you're not talking about wrist size.
All right. You see how you always bring up sensitive topics? Like I have big wrists.
I know you're not talking about the size of wrists right here in front
No,
of
but like you see how like why are you bringing that up in front of almost like 2,000 people? Like why would you do that?
because you brought it up. No, you brought it up. I said
No, but like you know your wrists aren't.
All right, let's see. See if we can get the push down through 600.
After my next payout, and then you said something about my wrist and that I only can wear women's watches.
No. I said you can't wear women's watches.
No, you said
implying you
the
had
only thing
big
that looks
wrists,
good
and you
on
know my
you
wrists are bigger
is
than yours.
women's watches, and then you fucking made fun
Get a trading account.
You
Yeah.
shouldn't be talking about the size of wrists because
I plan on, if I actually figure this out from a trading standpoint, I do eventually plan on trying to teach the kids. I mean, I'm going to teach them everything I know about finance in general, but
it's probably
Not gout.
Did you just diagnose me with fucking gout? What the
Isn't that where you
fuck?
get like really severe nerve damage in your big toe?
no, I think it's when you get extreme swelling of one.
You know, like honestly, I have a question. Like, are you guys hiring by any chance? Is there any way I can like migrate over? Because honestly, like the environment that I work in, guys, it's very unstable. We don't have an HR team. Like honestly, it's very uncalled for. There's a lot of things that go on through the back end at MOT.
We do have an HR team.
We
He's like,
don't.
it's me.
It's called your band. It's called your band. Get out of here.
It's called your band. Good. With your big ass wrist.
yeah.
I can't believe I broke one of my Legos today, bro. How the
Futures, yeah, I'm not planning on teaching them day trading. Not
fuck is this that I
anytime
dropped it, I
soon.
picked it up and it was like
That would be
halfway
after
on the
they
table.
try
The
their
table just
whatever
flipped.
they want to do in life and try, like, if that would be something for them to fall back on.
Just looking at it.
And hopefully I make enough money to where they don't need to necessarily worry about it. Oh yeah, here, let me start marbles again. I thought I did, but I guess I didn't.
Like, you don't have a manual to put them back. Any setback like that.
Kind of a mistrade there. Frustrating to sit here all morning and then miss a trade by a point or two.
And I forgot to say congratulations on the llama. Guys, congrats to the llama. Chad, llama closed on his house yesterday. Huge congratulations to the llama. It's his first family house. Him and the old lady. That's a big
Exclamation point marbles, get them in.
They needed to upgrade because
You got 10 minutes.
llama's
Llama, I'm gonna tell you that I know if you're down there, you probably don't have a basement. But if you ever have a basement, make sure you check the sump pump and get that inspected. That was a mistake I made and ended up with a flooded ass basement 3 months after I bought a house.
I'm about to go long. I really like this candle. I want to see SPX break to the upside of orb here. If SPX gets a closure outside of orb, I'm going long. I think that pullback was great, and I think that long. If SPX, I just want to see SPX get a real close print through here on orb. So it might not be this candle, or it could be. I'll wait for the next candle, but I'm probably going to take a long if SPX can get a print through.
Well, there you go. He answered his orb question,
You just rejected
whether they trade the breakouts or the range.
The worst I think I've seen in a long time.
Max, I didn't even tell you, bro. My dad texted me. You know what he said?
He said, "Tell Max why he short Palantir. I hate him. Why he tell Max to go Palantir short."
He said, "Ese Max es un diablo."
What's that mean?
I think he said you're the devil. I'm looking at his position, bro. He's down 7,000 today on Palantir.
He's down how much?
7,000, bro, today.
Bro, the retail.
700 shares.
Oh, man.
And tell him, send him a screenshot of my YOLO account. It's at all-time high.
He said it to you. I'm gonna send it to him. I replied, ja.
Right, as you should.
I said LMAO first, and then I realized he's not gonna know what that means, so I said ja. He's gonna know what that means, and then he read it and didn't reply. He's probably pissed. And bro, I told him, bro, just get in some shorts. You're holding enough contracts where it's not gonna hurt. But you know, like when guys listen to Jim Cramer, like if Matt were to sit here and talk about get into certain stocks, my dad would probably listen because he looks kind of like Jim Cramer. So it's
Oh
like,
man, I've been nothing but welcoming to you. You're gonna
Yeah,
insult me
right.
for comparing me to Jim fucking Kramer.
honestly, that was a low blow. Like,
Yeah.
honestly, that won't fly. I'll take it. Go ahead.
No long confirmation here, and that's why we always wait for the next candle. I say it on my stream all the time. It's not the candle you guys want to get in. It's the next one.
All right, get another attempt here.
Reason why zero confirmation. I can't believe you just called him fucking Kramer, dude. We are guests. We are guests in his house, and you call him Kramer?
I have a problem, bro. Max, haven't you realized I have a problem, bro? I called Brett Gay 5 minutes into knowing him, and now I'm calling him Matt Jim Cramer. I think I'm honestly just a terrible person.
I think we need to go to talk therapy.
I need
Brett
to go to
wasn't
an
even
AA
on our
meeting.
show for 5 minutes, and you insulted the guy.
The thing is it really insulting in 2025 to call someone gay? Like, maybe he's like, thank you. You never know.
Sick, dude. What do you do?
Appreciate it. And then he never even spun on the chair for us. Like, what's that about?
What do you do? Short to newer lows?
Oh, man.
Yeah. And then Mama spun on his chair and showed crack. It was the most disrespectful thing I've ever seen in my life.
Honestly, bro, like, I don't even think he would accept my apology. I didn't even know what to say, bro. I didn't think my pants were. I didn't think, I didn't think that, I was spinning where I was locked in.
You're gonna make
Spinning
Nick
on the
throw
chair.
up. You're gonna literally make Nick vomit.
Oh, Nick edited that. He spent 2 hours editing a video with
Not
my
that
fucking
Nick,
crack
this
hanging
Nick.
out. There's another Nick. I thought you were talking about our editor.
I feel like
Hey,
when Nick wants to talk
you
shit
gotta-
about Americans, he's talking exactly about me and Llama.
No, literally, like we are the spitting image of American.
Come on, big breakthrough 600.
Doesn't get more. Doesn't get more. Sick. Doesn't get more.
Sick. Good
Dude,
word.
I cannot believe how weak NQ is.
Yeah.
Like, this is insane. The drop here. Miriam.
Yeah, I expected a chop today. A full chop.
What's that?
The chat said Miriam is so cute though, with all this respect.
Yeah,
What's your ethnicity?
my ethnicity?
Yeah,
I'm Arab.
you're
Middle East.
Arab.
Yeah.
From which country?
I'm a mix of like
Mixture.
multiple countries.
Oh,
Like mostly like North African. That's where the hair comes from.
Morocco.
yeah.
Not Morocco. No.
No, she's
I
from
did
like.
make-
Hold on. Let me think.
North Africa.
I don't
Is
think
your
I'll forget
family
it.
from Angola?
No. Angola? No.
You could be. There's a strong like Portuguese settlement in Angola, and you.
Exclamation point marbles, get them in. You got 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Hopefully this chart will give us a big push down through 600.
Got one of them. That's pretty much the main one there, but
Hey,
that's where the hair comes from.
Egyptian, Greek, and Sicilian.
Yeah, there you go. Spot on.
Nailed it.
What? How did you even do that?
She's full of shit. There's no way I'm spot on.
The Sicilian and Greek sound exotic, but no, not quite.
Honestly, I never even heard of these
So,
countries.
and what about the hair? Now, what about the hair? Now the hair. I mean,
Curly.
hey,
Steve!
How long does that take? To,
What's going on,
grow
man?
that, or is that naturally like you
Oh,
wake
that's
up?
natural.
It's not a perm. No, I was actually born this way. As crazy as that may sound.
You were born with curly hair?
Damn.
Actually, you know what? I wasn't. I was born with like pin straight hair until like 3rd grade, and then all of a sudden it just turned into an afro.
Huh.
Yeah.
Blah,
it's the
blah,
weirdest
blah,
thing,
blah, blah, blah,
but
blah, blah.
Yeah. My
You
poor
ever thought
mom
about
had
bringing
no
the
idea.
afro back, or
Does it what?
have you ever thought about bringing the afro back?
I mean, if I brush it out, the afro will definitely come out. I'll do a curly hair routine. You can go over, your orb trade breakouts and invite me on that stream, and I'll do a curly hair routine. How about that?
Deal.
Right.
The chat is right. Y'all haven't asked me about.
Run.
About 22 and my hair said fuck off. So it
Oh, were
was,
you full porting your whole fucking 20s?
Pretty right. That's kind of quoted as a Rogaine a little earlier, I think, but that's all right.
That guy was full porting every morning.
Pieces of shit like you for breakfast. You eat pieces of shit for breakfast? No.
It's pretty aggressive.
Yeah.
You got to keep the balls kind of locked down because
Some have shine, some don't. Yeah.
Right. Airplanes landing on your head and stuff, and it gets it really does. It's a wild thing. Now look at, and then Nick just has beautiful hair. Look at it, really done up.
Yeah, it's nice. Some good hair.
Dude, I can't do anything else but this. Literally, I wake up in the morning and I look like this. I have no idea.
No,
What do you gel your hair before going to sleep?
Actually, it's like my dad.
Order filled.
It's like I'm just blessed.
What do you mean you can't change it? You never heard of a haircut?
What do you mean? Of course,
What do you mean?
A haircut. I get a haircut, but like every single barber I ever went to, they tried to like style my hair and everything, and it just.
You go to a barber or salon?
What? No, I don't.
That was legitness.
You might have a dewy, like a belt.
Pussy.
That would be the last thing I would wear. Nah, probably not the last, but one of the last.
We used to joke with him.
Yeah,
if
what do you mean by the
he-
last?
If he got a little more clean shaven and darkened his hair a little bit, he could be Brett's brother.
Right.
Hey, there was somebody in the chat actually.
is he tall?
today-
Are you tall, Nick?
Nah, I'm not. Brett is
Winning.
taller. But there was somebody in the chat earlier who said like they thought during the entire show so far that I was Brett.
Really?
Kind of dumb, but yeah.
Skinny. They just see skinny white guy with nice hair.
Come
Like,
over.
that's
Yeah.
Brett.
Brett. Gotta be Brett.
Gotta be Brett.
Gotta be Brett there.
I would love to see Nick come on the show with a dude.
He needs some milk.
Like a red velvet one.
You need to pay me a lot of money to wear one of those.
How much is a lot of money? We're interested.
He needs some milk.
Define a lot of money here.
Well, for
Marbles you got? No time it looks like.
money is 10K.
You're gonna push down here all along. Yeah, it's kind of. I'm looking for the big break.
Let's get it going.
I gotta pee though. I'll be right back.
Production, let's get a 10K funded.
Production, get this guy a 10K funded.
Growth account.
Well, fortunately, we don't have 10K funded, so.
We'll make a shake for you.
This guy a 10K funded right
Careful, I think Brett might just create an account just for that reason.
Well, we're talking real money.
Oh, that. Tricky. We're officially down 200 points from the open today. Officially 200 points from the open. First thing I said when I got on was I like the shorts. If I just held that, we would have been rolling. But guess who cares about shoulda, woulda, coulda? Nobody. Because money's fake. It's okay, guys. It's okay. Money misses, not money gone. Don't forget it.
I like the potential follow-up to this is my last buy zone.
There we go.
This off the chart. We're looking up.
Down to 50.
G above the relative weakness is horrendous, but
I would love a flip from over here. I really would kind of love a flip from here. Honestly, I think we could get a potential little flip from here. Honestly.
Come on, give us a big push down through 50 here.
I'm looking at ES right now, trying to test this pre-market low and opening range low here. So if we do get a flip,
Question is, do I stray away from my trading plan and take another trade?
yeah, I'm gonna paper trade it. Full transparency. I like the bounce. I want to see a rounding. I want to see the candles.
Paper trade.
And SPX NQ to show some strength. I would take it right there on my SPX support line. No
Interesting. I wonder if he's testing a new strategy.
It's up 300 a con, 330 a con.
Yep, I definitely love
Full
that.
paper trade, up 300 a con on the bounce right there. Now I want to see Butte Strat 2 break here and
Just not getting like that extra. This was the problem yesterday too, right? We weren't getting that extra push. Like look at this, right? Look at this push into the bands at the open. We're just not getting that extra push.
For another 50-point down move all the way to 536. So I'm gonna wait on it. If it does go lower, that might be a little impulse candle.
I'm gonna get marbles set up while we're watching the chart here.
Another extension to the downside. So I'm gonna wait on that. I have zero confirmation, just buys. So
Make sure there's no new members here. Oh yeah, we got Steve. Steve and Liz.
If we see one continuation candle, not this one, it's going to be the next one. This will pop up. This will absolutely pop up. Here's another double wick on SPX. Just need one candle to pop to show us the way.
We have a nice 20-point jump.
Show us the love. Before.
On NQ, because NQ's already begun a rounding. SPX is still downtrending. This is exactly what you want to see. And just like that, I'm up over 330 a con right now and rolling.
On paper.
Want to see if it goes up.
On paper.
There goes a little pop.
3, 2, 1, let's get it.
37 in a couple quarters, just like that. 37 in a couple quarters. I'm up 500 a con. Gonna hold this until I hear the buzzer up above. Stop loss gonna go to break even. Never
On the
let
5-minute chart?
a green trade go red. Never let a green trade go
Not right
red.
this second.
1,
5-minute
2,
sharp
2. I want
bands
to
would be
see
pretty
a
sweet.
few
That's when you
bucks.
know shit's getting real.
We break back into orb. This is game over for the shorts. And we're seeing that strength on NQ is beautiful. That's what you wait all day for the intention of your trade to match the strength of the market. Here it comes. There it goes. Bang. Beautiful bouncing. We got some rounding. I'm up over 540 a con right now and rolling. Can we get giveaways from Max and Llama? Yeah. Fuck yeah. Oh, hell yeah. I want to see a real big pushover of this 600 mark. Potential peak here, so this could be a danger area. Move
what
your
I'm
stop
looking
loss
for as
up.
well.
Move your stop loss up to an area where you're not freaking getting smoked on a retracement impulsive drop. There goes the pop on SPX, relative strength on NQ.
I want to target 640 on this. If we can clear 600, I want to target 640.
We need to clear 610 to go up to 640. 640 is, I have that marked as well. Definitely a good level, but a break of 610 for me is first area of interest.
Hey, here's a little continuation, and now we're up over 550 a con. SPX pop right here above 38, and this is over for the shorts. Let's see a wick and flip up. Wick and flip up.
See.
Oh.
See, it's such a tricky area where
Right here.
might not
One candle. One candle. All it's gonna take. No. No.
That's all it takes, Maxie. That's all it takes.
Isn't it funny you can build a trade up like that and then it's just gone.
The area was way too tricky. Way too
Yeah,
tricky.
600 not clearing is not helping this.
Stay right, stay right, stay right.
I have areas at 536.
Chart all the way back to the lows.
On the trade. I don't like getting into trades in the middle of 2 fib levels.
And
I
I
don't-
prefer to wait.
out there, $100
That's why.
profit. $100 profit is pretty damn nice. I will take that.
100%.
Yeah.
A lot of people get pissed
So-
off. A lot of people get pissed off because they go from like I'm up 400, I'm up 450, and then it retraces and they get stopped out for 100 profit. Then they start the psychological. Oh, I was up 500, but now
Wow.
I'm 900, so I have to get
Not a
back
single.
to 4 to get back to where I was, and that starts the first shovel of your digging your own grave.
All right, run that back. Check your DM. We'll make you smile. Give me one sec. Let me start this next race and I will. By the way, Aya, good morning.
No, I just know I need to get back to 500. Great.
Clean break out of orb on ES, and this is the retest. This should be the continuation to the downside. Could go for like 40 points.
Oh, forgot to hit escape.
I don't like to take any trades that are
Let's
in the middle
see.
of that. They just trade off of the level.
That orb break.
Like I did earlier.
Downtrend.
Oh no.
Screaming go down except for that gap. Little imbalance in price right there. Just
Is that the personal account? I'm assuming it is based off the number.
This thing's gonna run. Can we do a giveaway or what?
Yeah, I'm actually setting it up with production here. Background with
Nice.
Drew. Our
Yeah,
music producer,
looks like
shout
it.
out to
It's
Drew.
either that or like a paper account.
We're gonna drop a giveaway here shortly.
Let's go, baby. We are known for our giveaways. We have given away
What's our
over
record?
$220,000 in charity
Since January.
giveaways. We've paid for children to go to daycare for a year. We've done a bunch of wildly great work for traders, community. We've helped pay medical bills, homes. We've done a lot.
Under 1 year, 8 months.
Since January, our initial goal was to give back $250,000 to the community, and we are currently about to hit 220 in August. So the new goal is $300,000 this year to $350,000 in giveaways.
Nice. Love it.
That's amazing.
That's really cool.
We also
That'd be crazy.
we did the largest Tradeify giveaway, I believe, of all time on the show as well, which was insane. When we had Brett, the CEO, on the show, we put him on the spot, and he did an unbelievable, massive giveaway, and it was so much fun.
Nice. That's sick. So, Max, are you ready to commentate another marble race?
Shit.
Son of God.
Hold on. 1 second. I will after I finish this trade.
Ooh, just snuck in there.
All right, then let me do this.
I am the son of God, lasers. You must disappear.
And then once we pull up the marble, you're gonna be ready. So, guys, in order to participate in this giveaway, by the way, we're gonna give away 2 50K growth accounts and 2 25K lightning funded. For this one, you have to like the stream, you have to subscribe to the channel, and once I drop the keyword here in a second, please only type it once. If you type it more than once, you will be disqualified. And
Nish.
for you. Now,
No.
keyword is a mix between between Max Options Trading and Tradeify TV. The keyword is MOTTV. MOTTV.
Karen?
Love that.
Karen?
MOTTV, guys, remember only.
Let's try
type
one more
it
time.
Once. If you type it more than once, you will get disqualified. Do not give yourself the little oh chihuahua. Don't do that.
We're rocking. I really want to target a quick trim at 92.
Oh boy.
Top to fill that freaking MBG.
It happens. If you are a little to the side, it'll like roll around and it shoots you out. It's kind of dumb.
We're gonna look, and this is one of the
Here, let me fast forward. I'll show you another thing that I've seen happen too.
first newer high. I'd probably scale into it.
And just run with the volume.
Just let it go. This is the first one.
There's another one where
Q2
it
right
gets
here.
by the lasers and then it gets stuck up on the top and never falls.
In this candle, you gotta see what it does here.
Oh, can't. Gotta wait for the candle to close. I know, 30 more seconds, but it's testing that orb right now. I want to see it break.
So right
orb and
there.
go.
See that little
Absolutely go.
hole right here?
Hop on its chair and spin.
I've seen it like roll around here and then pop up in here and it gets
Oh,
stuck.
I'd love to see a chair spin right now. Jesus.
It sucks.
Currently sitting up 300, and we're cooking. Oh, there it goes. Come on.
Here's the break.
That orb.
This is good candle closure. We should see continuation. Honestly, looks
This
great.
is a nice. It's not.
Hey, yeah, I don't know. I've never traded a TPT account on Tradeivate, so I don't know what it looks like.
It's making that newer high right now. We got strength.
Here's a continuation.
But on Quantower, the Take Profit Trader account says TP Pro.
Right
Like,
there. I'm up
yeah, TP
700.
Pro.
I'm up 700. I'm up 745. I'm gonna look to trim my first one.
We're doing pretty good on the Take Profit Trader account. We're up now $2,920. I think we need to get to $4,500 to get the payout on that, correct? It's a 150K account. In a trade, Wawa. Let's get it. Let me see if we get log. Ugh.
Looking good.
Just in time to watch Steve get lasered.
Up to just above break even because we got commissions and fees to cover. And this is another risk free trade, baby. That's all I care about. That is it.
See, 1055. We should get volume on this candle.
I'll tell you what else. I'll tell you something else too. A lot of new traders. Don't be scared to enter a trade again. Don't be scared where it didn't work out for me the first time. Don't be scared to enter.
All right,
a
we
trade
need
with
to
the same sauce
we need
that
a reset.
gave you the confidence to do it the first time. Just because you got a break.
We need a reset. We'll do one more and then I'm gonna get out of here.
You see the same setup to
Reset it.
right back in, head first into that.
582.75. Good luck, sir.
You can absolutely
Let's get it. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. You got 10 minutes. You got 10 minutes, get them in.
Away from my first take profit. I'm up 865 on 2 minis here. Just need one little pop-up continuation.
I like how I've been doing that, where we do the 10 minutes, you get 2 or 3 races out of it, and then we reset. It's nice that way.
Good, and get ready for the first PT. Don't do it. Don't do it. Not another bell. Not another bell. Oh, another bell. We're up over 570 a contract on the long.
Beautiful, Maxi. Beautiful, Maxi.
Stop loss is at 580. That's a guarantee.
FBI, open up!
Excuse me, officer, I pooped my pants.
Happens. You trade. I do want to ride this thing.
Run.
Hey, I hasn't been here for a Steve train.
Order filled.
Steve likes to take advantage of all the sounds.
Drew, whenever you're ready, let's drop.
Winning.
Oh my god, here we go.
Pal, I eat pieces of shit like you for breakfast. You eat pieces of shit for breakfast?
Spit on that thing.
No.
I really can't tell what's going on this in this one. This is
Gay!
He needs some milk.
spring break. It's like spring break in Miami right now. I think they all just fall down. They all just fell down. I got stopped out of the trade right there. 182.
Welcome to the jungle, bitch! Hello, darkness, my old friend.
It's never just one strategy. No strategy is perfect. There is a million squiggly roads towards.
Gotta find them all.
Except for those idiots that just jumped off. What are you doing? What are you doing? Where are you even following? ICT? Oh no. We're approaching the big wheel, of course. I would have been DJ out of breath.
All right, back down to the lows here. See if we can't find a
That
trade
was
under 550.
legit.
They are mixing them like ice cream. Let's
Exclamation point marbles, get them in.
Some cheaters. They flew right through the bottom. Dong is not even close. Another explosion. Dong is gone again. They're following through the mixer here. It looks like small intestines. That's what it looks like to me. It looks like small intestines. They are just gone through the stomach. Llama, pay to plate, has just eaten all of the intestines, and now they're making their way to the final mark, which is
All right, right to the lows here.
paintboard. Here we go.
Hey, and you see that marble race indicator is working. We took
Look at that short.
20,
Jesus Christ,
26
40
points
points.
or something.
Yeah.
40 points from 600 to 560.
This is a what is
Marble
this game?
indicator.
What is this marble thing? It is
It
amazing.
is a magical game.
Just makes the market go short. That's what it is.
Yeah.
So
I did take a short at that 86 area. I got filled kind of in a trash way. I wanted
Through
to get more
550, looking for a bigger push.
I am
40
short
points.
currently. I'm moving my stop to about 10 points in profit. I want to see the 520s. Let's see the 520s if we can get.
I would like to see the 520s as well.
I had that area of interest at 536. I want to see how that reacts.
Okay, so she's rolling right now, over 35
She's
points.
got to be rolling in profit.
Rolling.
Yeah. Looking really good.
Well, yeah. Well, we took a little bit of a loss on that previous long, but I'm just gonna move my stop to the 64s now. I want to see this flush really come in here.
So every time
Right.
you guys do the marble game, the market starts falling?
yeah, whenever we do the
That way,
marble
it
race,
does, yeah.
when we do the marble race, background Nick goes short on the house account, and again, it's working. But let's talk about the winners here. USA, one of our OGs, gets
USA.
25K Lightning funded account.
Let's
Then
go.
Kate Muller gets a 25K Lightning funded account, and then the last two people get a 50K growth. Drew, if you can scroll down. Let's see the last two that actually crossed the finish
go.
line.
36 right there. Wonder
Right, so
what happens here.
Silvio the Curly Man gets a 50K growth account, and Giuseppe, it's all blurry for me, but Giuseppe gets another 50K growth account. Make sure that you type something in the chat really quick so we see you're there, and you claim your prize, and add your email address to the YouTube channel description.
Fire, very fire. Max, the shit's dope, bro.
Yeah, I don't know how they're doing this marble thing, but I'm rolling.
That's some Drew magic there.
I think me and Nick both went short right at that level. Yeah, I was looking for this retrace here to the 600s. I really wanted to get in on the 600s, but
Beautiful.
Come on, give me the good push.
My stop's sitting at 38, so we're 40 points, 50 points in profit.
Really nice. Good trade. 45, 43 points. Your trail's 43 points. You're up 50, 50, 50, 56.
I want to see the 20s.
She's a good trade.
She's up over 1,000 a con right now and rolling.
Yeah, that's a great trade.
I just keep moving my stop to the 528s. I want to see 500 if we can clear. We did get the clear of 5, so I might get stopped out here because we did. Okay, so I just got stopped out. 520s was really what I was targeting. So let's see if we get the bounce here. But it is like close to my demand zone. I show you guys right here what I'm looking at. This demand zone right here did slice through. So we are honestly, if we start clearing here, ES really clearing the 440s.
Get your marbles in. Might get a trade here. Feels like it's trying to try to bounce though.
I mean, we might have room to 487 if we start clearing here. So just got that.
Again, just not getting that extra push.
This was the retrace I was looking at to the 600s, and then once I started seeing the momentum come in, I just jumped in on that short. But
nice job, insane
solid.
trade, dude. You absolutely
Very solid.
cooked with gas.
Cooked up.
You guys have been killing the trades too today. I mean, longs and shorts make money both ways.
Doesn't
Larry,
matter.
you basically, you literally entered when the marble race started, huh?
Like right before, yeah.
Cheat codes. It's cheat codes, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Trading
See
in
what
easy mode.
happens here.
That was killer.
We're gonna sell an indicator for it. It's $10,000 a week.
Yes, Jason. That's kind of the whole point of them. So like if it just grinds, it's never going to hit the bands. So I'm basically looking for that big volatile move to get into the bands. Like that's the whole point of it.
Soon, Tradeify exclusive. If you guys want the marble indicator, you're gonna have to like, comment, and subscribe on Tradeify TV on YouTube, and then submit your email, and we'll get you on the wait list, guys. We'll get you on the wait list. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
I wonder if this pops from here. Interesting.
I'm just watching the candles on SPX, and I do like.
I mean, that was a really good move. I would totally expect a retest of here. It just sucks that I never got an entry.
Like 40 and then comes to retest 35. I'll take it.
Right, because NQ is actually showing a little bit of strength right now, which it's been terrible all
There's
day.
the 40. Now, if I see it pull back to 35, I'll jump in this shit.
Yeah, I'm about to jump on a small long.
This looks really good actually for a long potential.
Yeah, I'm about to jump on
I've
it.
been tripping already.
Right to it too.
If I see it pull back to
Beautiful
35,
retest here.
I'm in that thing, and I'm gonna let it rip. We're gonna let it rip.
Well, because we've never had like a big volatile move.
Shape recovery incoming.
Yeah, I would love
Like
to
if you go back and look, every time we got close to the bands, look at the volume.
I'm gonna put a stop.
So when we got close to the bands here, this time we got a nice volume candle, which is the closest we got to the bands, right? That's the only way to get to the bands is if you get that big volume candle into it. But look over here, when we were getting close to the bands, we didn't get that volume. Like it tried, but we didn't quite get there. The actual low candle, look, it wasn't even the highest volume candle.
Thank you.
She hit that
Very
first,
solid trade.
That's the frustrating part.
What, marbles, or
That was what?
was that strictly off marbles?
No, it wasn't off marbles. I did have a strategy there. Like I said, I was looking for a rejection of
Yeah.
600, which we did get.
It's tough because it's like I miss so many trades because I'm waiting, but I have not blown a single account since I started waiting for that extra push.
That was a beautiful freaking trade. If we three
So,
bought up, if we three bought
There's
up
something to be said about that.
51, I'm gonna scale into the long. Move your stops below the previous candle wicks. And
I used to blow accounts all the time when I would start. I would start like a trade up here, just looking for the quick retest, and then we would get the big move down into the bands. And I would be like, why did I start it way up here? Ever since I started waiting for the actual push, I haven't blown a single account. And I've had
It takes
3
me a little while to
payouts
do my hair in the morning,
since
things
then.
like this, but I'm okay.
And I mean, that was only what, like 3, 4 months ago
I mean, you probably got one
that I started doing that.
three prong, right? What are you doing out there?
It's one of the Gillette Labs one that's got
Shit,
like
I forgot about my Fresca in the
so
freezer.
it's real smooth on top there.
Heat it?
Yeah.
It gets warm?
This guy gets
It's
payouts.
got a little bar on the bottom that gets warm. If you go real slow, it's just really
You don't need to
smooth.
flex on us like that.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I apologize.
That's super uncalled for, that type of flex. You didn't have to.
That is definitely frozen. Thankfully, it didn't bust. I'll put that in there. We're just gonna let that sit for a little bit.
And you get your 3Z continuation, looking for it.
Yeah, but Wawa, I'm not trying. I don't want to sell my, I don't want to sell a system. I don't want to sell anything.
It has a warmer on it. That's got to be nice.
I want to sell like me. Like I want to sell
You shave because you're on
hanging out with me. I want to sell
right, which I imagine that kind of sucks.
like the stream. I don't want to sell my system. And it's not because I don't want people to know about it. It's because I don't want to be that person.
But I'm just so juiced up that it grows back every day.
Right. This is kind of the entry I was looking for. This is that breakthrough 40 and the retest of 36. Just got
A warmer on his razor. I gotta let Bald Dan know that. I don't know if Bald Dan, my brother Bald Dan, he doesn't have. I don't know if he's got a warmer on his razor.
It's a perfect top. That's 10 points already, right off the fucking move of 36. Looking
Yeah,
good.
I'm up
There's
200.
50.
I'm up 200 right now. I'm rolling.
Yeah, that was a perfect break and retest. Let everybody know we want to see the breakthrough 36, the retest of it, and then you can catch an entry. Do not fear the pullback. The pullback is the entry that we look for.
Jason, I feel you, man.
I always
Oh,
say
well, hold on. We got to play
different
marbles.
scenarios, so I can be
Let's play some marbles and then you can leave.
I want to say if
But I'm in the same boat as you.
I do this and this, and it always has to be if and then. That's how I feel confident in trade.
I would like to say thank you for realizing.
Did I add Aya? I didn't add Aya.
Thank you. I'm doing my absolute best.
Yeah, add her.
Keep it as PG as possible and respect their YouTube channel.
Right. There's a nice pop.
Thank you for noticing that. I am up 300, 400,
I'm up
500 and rolling.
500 and rolling.
Jason, I gotta add you as well. You weren't in your.
I think I'm holding this until at least 75.
A nice little race here to end. 48. Let's go.
I want to see the max get hit. I really want to see that max get hit. I want to see a V shape. The structure break is really nice. The candles are saying go up. Next trim on SPX. Go to the top of the staircase, baby. 37 to 40. Fucking let it rip.
Got a breakthrough 60, bro. That little structure point that it made where the last pop was, I want to see us break through that, though. Nasty wick out.
Wicks. Yeah,
Great pop for a nasty wick out.
look at this wick.
Niche Dictionary.
60s. Watch these 60s on ES, or I'm sorry, on Nasdaq. They're kind of acting as resistance right now.
Absolutely is. I have it marked out, and I don't think
Area I want to break.
we got to get rid of 56 to 60. I think that's the zone on NQ. It needs to break that 56 to 60. If it does, I'll add a third contract.
I think if we can fill this
try it
wick,
out.
we're gonna catch volume, hella volume, if we fill that wick.
I'll add a third contract if we break up to that. And I'll take a quick sky. I got my orders set. I'll scale into these. I'll scale into every one of these because that's a lot of resistance right there. So if that breaks, I think we're going to see that volume push up. SPX looks really freaking. It's choppy, but it's holding.
Yeah, ES's hold of like 64.41 is clean. Like this nice look below and fail so far is looking good. Nasdaq like literally wicked right to the bottom of that demand zone. So this could go. I mean, if they get the legs here, they'll take it.
Yeah, I really want to see.
I think it goes here. I'm kind of confident on this.
Yeah, I'm putting another buy order at 57. I'm putting another buy order at 57, and I'll trim my first con at 64. And we will go in and we'll go out. We'll go in and we'll go out.
What happens here? We're barcoding right now. I just want to see a print through that longer 1 minute wick. If we can print through it, I think we just rip with force. But if not, just
If FTX gives up this 45 in a couple
Chart
quarters,
pushing back down.
out of the long, probably gonna stop me out anyway. On my first entry.
Sports really want to come in. These bears are not messing around today.
Just edged me. Just edged me so close. Yeah, it's gonna stop me out probably right there.
Still looking for shorts.
525 on NQ has some buyers there. So watch that area. And then 500 is also going to be key.
Production, they want my profits on the screen. I sent you my screenshot of the Tradeify accounts. I can send you it again. How do I trade? Oh, let me go into Tradeivate.
Really wonder if we barcode up or just leak back down and go to 507. Very tricky here.
Nish.
Stop sitting like at 30.
Let's go.
It edged me.
Come on, baby. Oh, it's gonna hit that side. Hit it. Yes.
Here,
Stay
though,
up.
it's gonna
Yes.
look really good. My stop was literally, I had a 6-point stop loss.
We got one shot. Nish.
Kind of heavy here with 40 fucking micros.
I always like to end on a solid attempt.
Is
So
there a reason you didn't
usually
go
I
into
run more than
minis?
one, but if he gets towards the end and has a solid chance, this might be it.
Minis, it's hard to let trades run. Because I typically catch like 100 points.
Come on, Nish.
100 or
All you gotta do is make it through those 4 lasers,
and when I can pay
miss
myself with my
miss the
closing, I
pegs,
like
and land in the hole.
letting the trade run
There's
wild
one.
and pay myself more. I feel like
Llama's
with
really
running
There's
good,
two.
Holding within his
There's
trading
3.
system, so he'll
No.
let, like, 3 micros run 200
Son of a.
points, and for those
All right,
5
we'll run it again.
That's something I cannot do. I just got stopped out there. That's
I'm gonna
something
start
I
this
can't
one, and
do.
then I gotta go
Good
run to the
stuff.
bathroom.
I like getting in and getting out and getting my piece of the pie, but I do not. I cannot.
That was so close. Be right back.
long at all.
You're like, if I don't see the momentum, I'm like, get me out of this.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. I wait for those candles. You know, those candles, those volume breaks. You get in on one. There's a lot of times where I get on one, and I see a 20, 30 point move. That's all I need. That's all I need. Like if you look at my cash account logs, it's not sexy. It's like $400 gain for the day, $300 gain, 400, 400, 600. But I haven't had a red day since like June 9th or something. So that you just keep those cash accounts rolling, times it by 5, and get your little piece of the pie. That's the absolute best thing. That's the absolute best thing for me. But holding a trade 200 points, only Llama.
Yeah, I'm
only
like,
Llama, only Llama does that.
I was hoping to come back, and we were making new lows.
Yeah, we are just
Found Jason's new favorite sound.
Up 800. You see, so here with the micros here, I could just partial out 900. Let's partial a little bit out here. Take 25% off. Take another. We're 50% out of the trade. Secured 600. Have another 750 rolling.
I'm about to get back
And
in
then
it.
now I can just trail right when this candle prints, right under the next candle, another 25% here.
Yeah, I'm about to get right back in it.
Yeah, we're up 800 with the 20.
These
and I was
bottom
single
wicks look
40.
good for buys.
This is actually
Just like that, I stopped right under that candle.
That's frustrating on the chart. I was really hoping
potential right here, Llama. This continuation on
for the push down.
You know,
This actually looks like a pretty good long now, to be honest.
If
No, I'm
it's
locked in.
570, you can get the nice move up to like 600.
Oh yeah, this would be a confirmed
$100,000
neckline
here.
break right here. You get this confirmed neckline break right here. This
Oh,
is
that tap.
baby. This is
I'm up 1,000. I'm up 1,200. We're just rolling here. This was at perfect break and retest. Body closures look good. I didn't have a hard stop on 30. It was a visual, and the wick just told me we're good to scale in. And I already closed half the position, and I'm still up 1,200.
Jason.
Half, which is why I love
Jason.
micros.
yeah, but with the micros, aren't you getting absolutely
Laser.
dog-smacked with commish?
I don't really care about commissions, bro. It's what, like
It's got the end.
cents, maybe $1
No.
per micro. Like at the end of the day, it's $40. Like, it's not that big of a deal with 10
Man, I thought it
micros.
was way more than that.
No, I think it's like $1, maybe
Like
like
a couple bucks.
$2. $1 or $2, but at the end of the day, when you're catching 100 points, like, does it really fucking matter?
Right, right.
You know what I'm saying?
Llama's got a thing about holding trades.
What the heck is
with
this?
Best friends. I don't know. I can't do that.
I mean, this trade's already up 35 points. We caught 84 earlier. We're already over 100 points today.
All right,
And
we're
I
running
was
it
interested in
again.
sell That when I got on,
Running
right
it
when I got
again.
on today, I was interested in sells right at market open. That ran for 250 points.
I'm ready to I want to trim profit at my first trim at about 74, but I'm already back up 600 on the re-entry, cleared that stop loss completely out of the way, and I trimmed one con for 200. So back in the green, if you know what I mean. You guys need to stop digging your own graves. So many traders, bro, they dig their own graves when they get stopped out or edged, or they just like one loss, and it's like this is chaos. Actually, I think a lot more traders fail because they go green on the day and they watch their green go back down. Imagine being up $1,000, and then you're only up 500. Then you're like, oh, I only made 200.
That's why I play with the micros. I can pay myself.
That crushes a trader psychology so hard. And
Look at this.
just
Look at the
reading.
before. Oh shit. Look at the before and
70.
after on this picture. The picture that I put up here, and the next one. Oh shit. The next one over. So I was in with 40. I had already closed half after this. I left 20 running. I closed more, and now I have 4 micros running, and I officially paid myself. And then I break up my stops. This is 4 right here. I have 4
Llama.
micros left. So I just paid myself the whole way through.
Llama, how much are you up for today?
2025 with this trade open, which is $250. So I've officially secured 1700 on the day on one account.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
That's awesome.
Hell yeah. Beast mode. Llama, let me hold something. Why? Let me hold like 250 or something like that.
Aren't you up like 10 rackos, babe?
Don't count my pockets, dog. Don't count my pockets. I
Like,
said,
what's
let me
going
hold
on
something
there?
for you. You don't come at me like that. Don't count my pockets.
What's going on there, babe? I know you're up bread. Let me just get a little. Let me get a little $30.
$30. Shoot. Don't forget,
I know.
we have a busy day today.
Oh, that's what you meant. I thought you were gonna say your I
wasn't gonna say that. I don't even know what you're gonna say. I'm so good right now. I can't believe how behaved I've been. You guys
Hey,
should right.
Max and Llama, your P&Ls are now up on stream in the very top since chat has asked for it.
My P&L 10,100, Llama 1,700. Matt and Nick need to get on the board. They need to get in this long, get on the board.
I'm too entertained right now. That's my problem.
That's the problem a lot of our traders have.
I've seen at least 10 comments in the chat about that. It's like, I can't trade with these guys because I'm laughing too hard. And like, I'm trying to keep it professional and not like be breaking up on stream, but y'all are keeping it pretty entertaining.
Right. But what does a professional trader actually look like? You know what I mean? Like, what does that look like to you, Matt?
I close out of another position. I have 2 micros running now. I might actually just close
30 years ago, a professional trader looked like somebody in a suit with a big old stick up his ass. Now it looks like the 5 people that are on this stream right now.
Now it looks like a guy who has a man bun.
This is the new PNL. 2017-50. I'm gonna leave it how it is. I'm happy with 2,000.
God, I totally missed this race. Sorry, I was talking to my buddy. Emmy's just stuck. Well, nobody won, so the track is definitely winnable. Winning is a mindset. My bad. We'll run one more. Yeah, that was my fault.
Solid, very solid.
Amazing. What's the coolest thing about trading to me is like we can all sit here, Matt, with no hair on his head. Totally.
I'm just gonna leave it on whoever's in first. That way I can't miss out.
Me with my fat Thor golden locks, and we all bond over blowing accounts together, and I think that's a beautiful thing. I really do. I don't think.
Don't forget Llama with his gout.
Llama.
Can't forget about the gout.
We can sit here with Llama, who has severe gout in both of his arms.
Just check on your Bigfoot.
I really want to open this fresco, but I'm afraid it's just frozen. But then keeping it in the Yeti probably isn't helping.
Come on, baby, push up to 62.
All right, fuck it. Here we go.
Give me that 62 push. I'm up 800. I want to trim profit. I want to trim one at 70.
See if there's any liquid in there.
It's gonna give it to me right now. Come on.
Some liquid. It's definitely still frozen.
You know what I love about trading is on a day where the Nasdaq is down.
You know what I noticed too?
30 points in the red.
When you overfreeze a Fresca, it doesn't do what the Coke Zero used to do. Remember the Coke Zero would overflow and I'd have to clean up my mouse pad? It doesn't do that with Fresca.
Llama is not goated. He's gouted. Don't ever say that about my boy again. Get him out of here. Seriously, get that guy out of here. Get him out of here. How
Jesus
fucking dare
Christ.
you talk about the llama like that? I'm about to trim profit. I'm about to trim profit. You're not focused on the right thing.
You know we're gonna hear about this
Llama,
gout for the
that was
next 3
really
weeks,
good.
Max.
You know our
No,
chat.
you know we're gonna hear about this shit for 3 weeks now. You know chat's not gonna forget about this.
Our chat is taking notes right now.
Yeah.
And they're gonna have pictures of the Gout King by tomorrow. Our chat is, I don't like this price action much longer. I'm probably gonna trim out one con. I'm gonna.
Yeah, I didn't like it slowing down.
I'm
Cool
looking
ending
for
the day, you know.
I didn't like
2K
that.
is 2K.
That last candle, if we don't take this last candle out in the next 2 or 3 minutes, I'm just gonna take my I'm at 495 profit. I'm actually gonna go ahead and trim one out on the drop, and I will re-enter it if I have to.
this short actually might come in here. 574 acting as resistance here, so we need a clear.
Hey, yeah. Hey, has got a shot.
Yep, there they come. Here come the shorties.
Yeah,
Hit it.
I didn't like that
Hit it.
last candle.
Stay up.
I didn't like that
Oh,
confirmation.
hey, has got a shot.
Below this little range. My stop loss.
Hey, has got a shot.
52, or excuse me, 53 and a quarter. So pretty close.
Yeah. I would say 53. Getting back down below.
All right, this is our last one. Oh, Don. Oh, Don got
I don't
lasered.
want to be nowhere near that.
Where's Donovan? Nope. All right, A is our last shot for today.
Here and a move up would be huge. This would be the most bullish move we saw probably in the last 10 minutes is if this break and retest continues to the upside. But it is absolutely weak.
A is gonna get lasered.
Lots of selling pressure coming in here on both
Oh!
as well. They're trying
The
to hold
dodge!
50s, though. They're trying.
No, it's not even close to lining up though, and she's got pegged.
Yeah, they are.
Only if it fell in.
Needs to hold on ES as well.
It wasn't lined up anyway. Damn it.
3-point stop loss.
All right. That's going to do it.
SPX looks like ass. It went from
I'm going to get out of here. Appreciate y'all being here. I'll be here tomorrow, same time, same place. Until then, have a good rest of your day. I appreciate y'all.
I'm cool with the volume that it gives, and once volume dies down, bro, I'm cool
Peace.
with getting out of it. Like, it's that bias that I've had where I don't see us like going like aggressive today. So when I see my little move and I catch my 5-6 minutes of volume, I made my decision this morning. I'm not holding for like a big ass trade.
It's not a level to level type day unless you went long on the high.